In California, raging wildfires have taken a big toll on the human population. They've also impacted wildlife, including animals in sanctuaries. Unfortunately, wildfires are now a persistent hazard in the state, and they're a chronic threat for these big cats at a sanctuary in the Sierras. Newsy's Jason Bellini joins me now live from San Francisco with more on how the owner is coping with the risks of taking care of these animals. Hi there, Jason.
Hi, Natalie. I just came back from covering the KNP fire in Sequoia National Park. But before I left, I visited a big cat sanctuary. I'll show you what I found out. Nestled in the foothills of California's Sierra Nevada mountains, Cat Haven, a nonprofit sanctuary, keeps finding itself near the path of wildfires.
If you actually have to move the cats, it is a major undertaking. So the last thing you want to do is have to move the animals.
Dale Anderson,
can you come up?
A former airline pilot, founded Cat Haven 23 years ago. He says that in recent years, fires have become a perennial threat.
At the beginning of the year, fire season, we go through all our checks. We get crates out to cages. We do prep on making sure that cats are ready to go if we have to.
Where do they go if there's an emergency?
If we have to evacuate, which you did a complete evacuation in 2015 with the rough fire, we had cats at 5 different facilities.
Anderson says earlier this month, the KNP complex fire in Sequoia National Park came within 10 miles of Cat Haven. What about this fire? How has that affected things here?
This fire was one of those fires where we were getting prepped and ready to go. We started getting drugs together because if you're talking you have to knock down 25 big cats. And knockdown, when I'm talking knockdown, means you have to anesthetize 25 big cats.
Which you have to do before you can transport them?
We have to do it to be able to get them in crates sometimes because when things get going and fires happen, cats don't always want to do what they're trained to do sometimes.
They're trained to get into the travel crate themselves.
That trains them to go into the crate, so if we have a fire, we can get in the crate a lot easier if they're hungry and they want their food, and then it's not a stressful thing for the cat.
What about the smoke? Is that a factor for you guys?
I mean, maybe long term we're going to have some smoke-related issues that might come up. We watch for that kind of thing. Most of them go inside in their dens and just rest. They don't, out running around doing things. He's a good boy.
Fires aside, these are wild times in the big cat world. And guess why?
My name's Joe Exotic. This is my way of living, and nobody's going to tell me any other way.
Netflix's Tiger King docuseries featuring Joe Exotic put a spotlight on the controversial practices of some big cat parks. I have to ask you about Joe Exotic.
Sure.
The Tiger King.
Sure.
Do you know him?
I know Joe. Yeah, I know Joe. I've known Joe for quite a while. In fact, one of my cats came from Joe.
One of your cats came from Joe?
Yeah.
Anderson says he's under increasing pressure from animal rights activists who oppose the caging of big cats.
The girl. If you don't like seeing a cat in an enclosure, that's okay. Don't come here. Don't do this. But what I'm doing here isn't bad for the cats.
He says what's good for big cats in the wild is the money that sanctuaries like his raise to help protect them.
Cats are independent animals. They think about their own situation, their own interests. Doesn't mean they can't be friendly and kind just like a dog would. You hear a purr. They sit there and say, nah, I don't want to do that today. And this is what I want to do today. And it's like what I like. I like to be independent. I like to have my own thinking, my own way of doing things. And cats do the same thing.
Anderson's way is staying here in the fire zone.
What are you guys doing?
Trying to avoid the cat fights. Cat fights. Well, the big problem for him is just getting through one season after the next when the fires keep encroaching. It's also keeping a lot of visitors away who would otherwise be going there. The park's been closed now for close to a month. It's not clear when people will be returning. Natalie?
Right, because you say this fire season's not just a few months, it's kind of ongoing. That's affecting a lot of different businesses for sure. Jason Bellini, we really appreciate that report from San Francisco for us. See you soon.